Hi, this is Dan from Real Mac Software, and today I wanted to give you a quick run through on how to renew your RapidWeaver license. So I'm going to open up RapidWeaver and I'm going to create a new project. Now you'll notice this little banner has appeared up here saying updates have expired. Now RapidWeaver still functions 100%, it still works, it's not running in demo mode or anything. You can still build all your projects, publish, everything runs as normal. The only thing this means is you won't receive future updates. So when a future update comes out, if you want to upgrade to it, you can hit this button and it'll bring up the registration window. And here it tells us our updates expired on Wednesday, the 5th of July. And if I want to start receiving updates again for another year, I can just hit the renew button and this will go to the Real Mac store. And I can scroll down here and I'm going to hit upgrade license. I'm going to put in my email address. Once you've placed your order, you'll receive your serial number on screen and via email. So I'm going to copy my serial number here and I'm going to close this window. Now to activate this Mac, what we're going to need to do is deactivate our old license. So I'm going to hit deactivate. And now RapidWeaver is running in demo mode. So now I'm going to hit activate license. I'm going to put in my email address and then I'm going to paste in my new activation code and hit activate. And there we go. So now I'm fully renewed and RapidWeaver is good to go and I'll start receiving updates again. So that's it for this video. It's very straightforward and I will see you in the next one.